use oxygen therapy to...
When you'll see the whole crowd react, because it's a fact to be exact, I love to
Sing, dance, and have fun right here on Universal Kids.
Graduate program today at snhu.edu. WCMZ-TV Flint, Michigan is owned and operated by Central Michigan University. As a result of the Federal Communications Spectrum Auction, the station will cease broadcasting at 11:59 p.m. April 23rd, 2018. To our viewers,